What's up everyone, this is Crypto Wolf. Welcome to my channel where we give you daily updates on the crypto market. If you have seen my video from March the 30th, how to stake Alpha KONGS NFTs, you could see you could earn a lot of passive income by these NFTs. The price was on OpenSea 0.3 Ethereum. If we look at the price today, it's at 0.6 in 5 days. I hope some of you took the chance and saw the opportunity and bought some Alpha KONGS. If you did not, don't worry, I will give you every update that you need to know today about Alpha KONGS so you can decide if you want to buy in, yes or no. If we go to the video and we look a bit further, you will see right here the price of Alpha coin itself. This is the coin from Alpha KONGS. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go watch this video first. I will leave a card in the right top of the corner. Alright? So the coin was at $4.60. Right now the coin is at $8. So this one also did a 100% in 5 days. So there's a good opportunity in Alpha KONGS and this maybe can change your life. So in the video of today I will be covering 5 topics. The first topic, what has happened with Alpha KONGS since the last video. I will give you all the updates in Discord, the price and the NFT on the coin, what I just did. So the second thing, explaining the Omega Kong drop. This is the second collection they are gonna drop to stakers and holders. I will explain this, so watch this video closely. The third thing, how can you earn up to $1,500 a month? I am earning currently $1,500 a month. I will show you this. The fourth thing, how to stake multiple Alpha KONG NFTs and how to maximize rewards. And the fifth and the last thing of today, explaining my strategy for Alpha KONGS. I will explain you a strategy that will make you risk-free as soon as possible. That's how I am looking at crypto or at NFTs. The sooner you get risk-free, the less emotions you have in the market and the better you can make decisions. Alright, let's get into the video. So if you come to the Discord of Alpha KONGS, if you don't know how to access, you just go to here and click on the Discord. So if you are in, you will see this update. Since I did the last video, they will do more reward for holders. How are they doing this? They will make it possible to stake more NFTs in one tribe item. Now you can only stake one NFT in one tribe item. So for the people who don't buy a tribe item, they need to stake one NFT in a free capsule. But if you have more NFTs, you cannot stake them in the free capsule. You need to buy Alpha coins or you need to have more rewards to buy a tribe item. And then with those Alpha coins, you can buy the tribe item and you can stake your second NFT. But now they are doing an update and they make it possible to stake multiple NFTs in the free capsule or even in a tribe item where you earn even more percentage passive income. So this is really bullish news. So I wanted to give you this update. This is very important for Alpha KONGS and I think this can be a big collection in the future if they keep doing great things like this. The next thing they are doing is to take a small percentage of the ecosystem earnings of bigger earners and distributing this to members that are holding and staking Alpha KONG NFTs. Doing so, this increases the value of owning Alpha KONGs and decreases the supply. The tokenomics behind this are on point. It will not hurt the big earners, while it supports the community vision. It strengthens everything. You can see right here in other DeFi projects, they sometimes call this a whale tax. It's healthy for an ecosystem that wants to have sustainability. The only difference that we're making is that the most of the rewards go to the members that believe in Alpha KONGS, the NFT holders. And a small part will also go to the reward pool and the liquidity pool. This brings more stability to the ecosystem. They will share the exact tokenomics of this new implementation tomorrow. So if we go more to the downside, you will see all people can vote on the tokenomics. So you need to read this carefully. All these details, if you want to read them very closely, go to the Discord. I will not cover every detail about this. So you can see right here, this implementation will do 3 important things. First one, it makes Alpha KONGS closer to the vision of the community by giving ownership of the NFTs a more beneficial role in the ecosystem. It increases the value of owning Alpha KONG by passive weekly earnings while lowering the supply. more sustainability and durability to the ecosystem by providing liquidity to the liquidity pool. This is good for the token. So these are the tokenomics. This is very important to understand. The dynamics were simply every time someone claims, the smart contract checks how many alpha coins you earn each day. Based on the amount of earnings, you pay a small fee that's in accordance with your earnings. This fee gets distributed to Alpha Coin holders evenly. All holders benefit from the ecosystem. If you earn 100 Alpha Coins per day, most people think it's fine to pay a small percentage to improve the sustainability and the durability of the ecosystem. However, the same percentage can hurt a bit if you just earn 5 Alpha Coins per day. So they have two models. This is the first model and this is the second one. You can see here also the small ones will get a fee and here the small ones will get no fee. But I also voted on the first one because the small ones should also get a fee. The first one is just better for people to not claim their alpha coins quick and to sell them. So this will also be good for the price, in my opinion. Go check it out yourself and leave a comment what you think about these tokenomics. So now the second topic of today, explaining the Omega Kong drop. This is the second collection. So the long-awaited Omega Kong drop is getting closer by the day. Soon you will be able to claim your blue banana serum and become reunited with your long-lost family. Let's dive in. So the collection, the Omega Kongs, are by far the most immaculate and fine detailed NFTs I have ever seen. It's a true piece of art that pushes the boundaries of the NFT space. That's some really good marketing. It will inspire other collections, show them what's possible. They are making me curious right now. The Alpha Kong artists are working extremely hard on the Omega Kongs and this is the time. They are taking more time to make the collection. Also with the extra experience they got from the first drop, I'm sure this is going to be a jaw-dropping launch. Let's hope that. And one thing is most important, the Omegas and everything else that comes in the future will benefit Alpha Coins NFT owners. That's the vision of the Alpha Coins brand. This is going to be exciting. Let's talk about some more details that we need to know. So everyone that has an Alpha Coin for at least 1 month will be able to claim the blue banana serum in their Alpha Coin dashboard for free. This rewards holders while it still provides new members with some time get their blue banana serum for free and thus Omega Kongs. The blue banana serum will be an NFT of itself, so it will be tradable on the open market before the Omega Kong drop. But you probably want to keep the serum for yourself instead of selling it. If new members still want it, they can buy it on the open market. Everything has a price, right? So this is really good for the holders right now. So I would recommend don't sell your NFT right now. It's good to hold it because you're gonna be dropped on Omega Kong and the serum. So the last day for the holding period of your Alpha Kongs will be on 16 April. So for all the people that are now holding, 16 April is the end date. I will do an update on this video 16 April. So on the launch date of the Omegas, you will be able to drink your blue banana serum and get the Omega Kong. It's a clone so you do not lose your Alpha Kongs. In mid-May, exact date to be announced, you will be united with your Omega Kongs. Before the Omegas are here, the blue banana serum will already provide you with utility. This is already in about 2 weeks. So 2 weeks. Keep this in mind, put this in your agenda. Or follow me on Twitter and I will keep you updated. This is just some extra information, you can go read this for yourself. Alright, the Omega Kongs and Blue Banana Serum, alright. So you can expect the Omega Kongs drop is going to be in about 1.5 months and the serum in 2 weeks. And here we have some last IDs of this topic. What are they doing? They have some ID to buying Alpha Coins merch clothing with Alpha Coins. Pimp your NFT with new elements, Alpha Coins, Metaverse, buying more tribe items directly without needing to claim your coins. This is really good if they would do this. So you don't have to waste gas fee on Ethereum. The OG Kongs donation tribe, random Alpha Coins airdrops. Some lucky Alpha Coin holders get a random Alpha Coins airdrop each month. This incentivizes people to hold Alpha Coin NFTs and win an airdrop. Make it rain. Alright, some really good updates. I hope everything was clear. If you still have some questions, just leave a comment or go to the Discord and check everything out. So for everyone who is new to Alpha KONGS and is stepping in right now and just bought his first NFT, if you stake from 10 April until 18 April, you will get the blue banana serum airdrop on 18 April and thus the Omega coin. So this is a really good opportunity for all the new people who are now into Alpha KONGS. You can take advantage of this and stake your Alpha Kong to receive the blue banana serum. Alright, now I will cover the third topic of today. How I can earn up to $1,500 a month in passive income with my Alpha Kongs. You just go to Alpha Kongs, their dashboard. I will be dropping every link in the description of my video. So you can see right here, I'm staking one NFT currently. The price is at $9. It's already up again. So I'm earning monthly $500 with one NFT, but I have two other NFTs ready because they did an update. You can now stake up to 20 NFTs in one free capsule or in tribe items. I covered this in my previous video. If you didn't watch it, go watch it right now. So just click onto staking. When we come to staking, you can see these are the tribe items. If you want to use one of them and earn more rewards, you need to buy this with tribe items. But I'm using the free staking capsule because I'm not buying the alpha coin. If I get enough alpha coin for my rewards, then I will maybe buy a tribe item. Maybe. I will explain this later in the fifth topic of today. Just click staking capsule. You have to approve this first before you can stake it. So you click on to approve. You will get a pop-up in your MetaMask that you need to confirm. You will see the gas fee, everything you need to know. Alright, this will be $9. Click confirm. Alright, transaction confirmed. So now you can stake this alpha coin. Click on to stake. I hope the gas fee is not too high. Otherwise I need to do it on another time. And the gas fee is a bit high. I'm gonna do just one. I'm gonna do the other one on another time because the gas fee is really high. But I just will click confirm just to show you how it's done. Click confirm. Alright, transaction is loading. Transaction confirmed. Alright, you can see they are both staked. So yes, the gas fee was a bit high. I'm gonna do the other one in the morning. This is a lot cheaper right here from me. So I'm gonna close this one. Now you have seen how to stake them, and now you know you can stake up to 20 NFTs in one tribe item or in the free capsule. I'm going to explain you the last topic of today. This is my strategy for alpha coins. This is not financial advice, and you do what you want. So now I will be covering the last topic of today. I will explain my strategy for alpha coins, how I want to get risk-free as soon as possible. So if we go to dashboard, you will see right here what I earn. So for now, I cannot see my earnings. It's maybe because I just staked another NFT that it needs to be updated. So if you have this, don't worry. If things are good and my rewards will be shown again, I will leave a comment under this video so you know that. But you could see before with one NFT, I was earning $500 monthly. So if I stake them all three, I'm earning $1,500 a month. And my strategy is very simple. I paid average 0.5 for the Alpha KONGS NFT. So I have three of them. So I have 1.5 Ethereum invested. If you look at the price of Ethereum today, it's at 3,500. Ethereum is doing very well. So if we take at that 1.5 Ethereum, that's an investment of $5,000 that I did in three NFTs of Alpha KONGS. So what I'm looking at right now is if I can get my money back through selling the alpha coin, that would be really nice. So I can be risk-free holding my NFTs. Because I bought the NFT to hold it. I don't want to hold the alpha coin. I'm not really interested in that. But it's really nice that it can earn you passive income. So I'm not gonna dump everything. But first of all, I will first sell my alpha coin. So what I'm doing right now is, if you look at this, I will be earning, let's say, 6 alpha coins a day. So if I wait just like 84 days and I claim all my alpha coins and I sell them and it's still at the same price as now, it can be worth $5,000 and I have my full investment back and I can hold 3 NFTs risk-free. The other part that I'm doing, if the NFT keeps rising in price and we would hit a floor price of 1.5 Ethereum, I'm gonna sell one of my NFTs. I don't care how high it's gonna go or what's gonna happen. I don't care about that because I just want to be risk free in my NFT and I can be looking further for other projects and I can look further at some other NFT projects. So that's how I'm looking at alpha coins. I'm very bullish on the NFT project for the long term, but I will be taking profit of my alpha coin to get my investment back from the NFTs. That's how I look at it. Let me know what your strategy is for alpha coins. Leave a comment under this video. I'm really curious how you are looking at this alpha coins ecosystem and how they are growing and what they are doing. So this was it for today. I hope it was very learningful. I put a lot of time in this video. I'm just 1 month on YouTube. I want to thank every subscriber, everyone for commenting, for watching, for liking. I will be doing a giveaway very soon. I was doing a giveaway before, but I had some problems on how to set it up because I'm new to this. And now I have a good setup and I will share this on Twitter and you will get everything you need to know about the giveaway so I can support everyone back. Thanks for the support. Thanks for everything. Take care everyone and I hope to see you into the next video. Bye bye.